Hey traders, hope you guys are all doing well. So are you looking for a really powerful indicator that can help you get profitable, especially if you are a beginner or intermediate trader and you've been struggling for a while? So this is a really interesting indicator that I've been using that helps you spot reversals in the market. And it gave me a really powerful trade here on Ethereum on Friday. It also gave a really good trade on Friday on Bitcoin. It gives really good signals on all the markets, preferably, well, mainly cryptocurrencies, forex, and futures markets. You can use it for any one of those. It can also give you really good reversal signals if you are an investor and you want to time the bottom or top of the market. If you're more of an investment trader, you're looking at the weekly and daily time frames. I like to use it on those time frames, but also on the 15-minute, preferably for day trading, because it gives you nice solid big moves. So guys, before I reveal what it is and give it to you for free, just please subscribe to the channel, because I drop a lot of value and give a lot of free stuff like this out for nothing. And I drop some nuggets, psychology tips, indicators to use, different ways of looking at the markets to be profitable, risk management tips. So before I give you this, please subscribe to the channel. But yeah, basically all you have to do, guys, is I'll just delete it off here. I'll show you guys now. You come here into indicators. It's under my favorites list already here. You just type in Algo Alpha. And it's this one here, the reversal signals by Algo Alpha. And you just click on it there. It will appear on your chart basically just like this. It does not repaint, which is the benefit of this indicator. It does not repaint. Then what I like to do is I like to come in to settings and remove the MA steps, just so this border is not there anymore. I'll keep the trend fill, or you can take the trend fill off if you want your chart really clean. I like to keep that trend fill on. You just have a rough gauge of, if the market is in a trend, you can see it's in that green trend. And then if it gives you a signal, then it's even more powerful. Like you can see here, the market's in a bearish trend. Then it gives you a signal to sell, and then you take that sell. But this is the trade that I took on Friday. I saw that the market was bullish, and then I took a long position like this, always targeting asymmetric risk to reward, so positive risk to reward. So the trade looks something like this, and I was just targeting roughly just above this previous high over here. So it works really good. Look at this awesome sell signal it gave here. Beautiful buy signal down here. Sometimes you won't have to use the trend filter. You'll just have to take the signal. So it's a very nice systemized approach. Instead of you trying to guess and figure out where the markets are going, you can just use something like this and even turn it into a robot if you know how. I'm going to be working on some robots and throwing those in later in the year to show you guys how to actually use robots for consistency, because it's very difficult sometimes to be disciplined in the market with your strategy and your risk. So I want to create some robots just to make solid returns where you don't have to even look at the chart. You can just get the robots running. But yeah, guys, hope this video gave you some value. Hope you find some, profitability using this. Please subscribe, as I said, and I'll be dropping more indicators and things to use pretty soon as well in the next coming videos. Really cool stuff like these liquidity maps and things like that, which you can actually look to find where all the liquidity is hiding in the markets. But yeah, guys, I'll be showing that in the next couple of videos, maybe. Something I don't often use, but it's pretty powerful, that may align with your strategy, or maybe something that you'd be interested in using. It has helped me out in a few trades, but I don't necessarily use it all the time. But I will be showing you guys that in the next couple of videos. So yeah, subscribe and catch you in the next one, guys. Cheers.